Jim here in Aspen. Today I'm with my buddy,
Keegan Van Hook.
and we are going to ride the mountain bikes all the way around the mighty Applegate Lake. There is an 18-mile trail around the lake, and only 2 of those miles is on asphalt. The elevation game is not extreme. There's one small area, but the constant up and down is a challenge. And there are some rough drop-offs. Look out.
So how do we get here?
From I-5 freeway, you take the 24 exit into Phoenix, and you head left or west towards Route 99, which you take to the right or north towards Medford. But quickly, left on South Stage Road. There you go, into the countryside, South Stage Road goes. Quickly, a left and right here on Griffith Creek Road. I'm sorry, a right and a left. Silly. Now you're headed towards Jacksonville. Go on through Jacksonville. And out you go towards Rouge on the Route 238. You turn left, Upper Applegate Road. There's a real estate place. It's gray now, it used to be yellow. And it's Applegate, Applegate, Applegate till you get to the dam and go just past the dam. And quickly to the left, there's a parking lot up there. And you're gonna park there. It's got a little bathroom and everything. All right, the trail begins right here, next to the restroom area. Quick couple 100 yards, and you're already at the boat dock / Hurt Tish. Don't turn right there. Don't turn right. Turn left, guys. Where are you going? There you go. Left here when you get to the parking lot. Cut right through the parking lot, and you're quickly into the little camping area here. Trails here. Web of trails through the campsites. You'll figure it out. You're headed towards the beach. There's the beach. Now at the beach, there's another web of trails. We just cut across the lawn. There's no rules. It's the middle of wilderness. Of course, we did find the trail on the other side. And off we go. This is a good 5-mile section. Yeah, there's some steep drop-offs. Frightening drop to the surface of the water there. And a lot of ups where we had to stop because we weren't fast enough. Oh, look how delightful that looks. Deceptively, that's the nicest chunk of the trail. Of all 17 miles, that was the best. And then the rock gardens at the bottom we walked. It's not for beginners like us. Now we're at the Watkins campground, so a good place to stop because of the porta potty, the pit toilet, but no water. No water at all. So yeah, rest a little bit, then jump onto the road around
That's
the
what I'm
lake.
talking about, baby. Big
Asphalt
downhill.
for about a mile. Keep your lake on the left. And quickly you're going to turn left into the... This is the Stein Butte Trailhead right here. Get some gravel for about a mile of this. And then there's a little bit of a... This is your highest elevation gain. Look at that. A little peak right there in your elevation. So what is that? Maybe a half mile tops. And then the Payette Trail begins. Payette. And now we're working on the east side of the lake. Similar terrain. There's a couple of scary drop-offs too. But the ups and downs weren't as extreme. You got about 6 miles on this. There are some interesting campground porta potties that are maintained for the boaters, I believe. And then Payette pops out here, School Bridge. And from here, make a quick left. And we're continuing towards the French Gulch Trailhead. Now look, that little guy pointed to the right there. There's a little trail to the right. When the lake is high, you have to take that side trail to finish your circle around. French Gulch. Only another mile left, I think. We're going to go across the bridge, along the top of not the bridge, the dam. Right along the top of the dam. Those two little dots. It's us. And you get to the end, you turn left and head back to your car.
Well, there you go. The Applegate mountain bike loop trail. Brisk, short. How long was that, Keegan?
The thing said 17 miles, but then our map said it was like 18, but we did some back and forth. So
we're
call it 19.
19 it is.
Might as well call it 20.
All right, 20 it is. We'll say 20. But so it was like, oh man, walked my bike so many times. He walked his bike half as much, but still a lot.
Yeah, and then I crashed into a bramble, got very seriously injured.
Very injured. And I hit a tree twice, 2 different trees, not the same tree, and fell off and face planted. And the drop-offs are pretty steep.
There's some pretty intense moments where you're riding, and then there's just basically a cliff on one side of you.
Do we recommend this to anybody?
Practically no one, except for those who really like mountain biking and super adventurous beginners like myself.
And our enemies.
Yeah, also, if you're an enemy of ours, you should totally come check this out.
But yeah, we're never doing it again, but you should try it if you're a crazy person. And you guys be in pretty good shape. We love mountain biking. That's about it. This is Jim.
And I'm Keegan.
This is AshTrails.com saying stay safe.
Spread out.
Oh.